few days ago, I made a post about your Facebook profile having this kind of issue, this kind of problem, this yellow mark here. This yellow color here is meant to be a green color, a green good sign, that is good. Then if your profile is not showing profile has some issues, these are the things that can happen if this thing is showing your profile. Facebook can stop recommending your profile to people. When you post something, you don't get more views, you don't get more audience, because they will restrict your account. The worst part is if you enter this problem of when your account is having issue, it will move from account is having issue to this recommendation. As you can see, my recommendation is still active, my account is recommendable. But if you let this your own issue still till it enters a place whereby your account is no longer recommendable, you are going to be in serious problem. That is when Facebook can restrict your posts to lesser audience. And also, if you have reached the level to monetize your account, they will remove the monetization tool from your account. Your account will stop any money, or they will not give you the tools at all. So in order to avoid this kind of problem, there are some things that I observed that can cause this kind of problem. What caused my own was a business post I made, and I wouldn't like some of you that are not aware to make the same mistake. Let me give you an example. You are selling shoes and you are selling the ones written Nike. In your post, don't ever write Nike shoe, because you are not in partnership with Nike brand. When you write such thing in your post, you are going to violate copyright policy, and Facebook team or Meta team is going to restrict your account. Your account is going to be having issues. This is what caused my own, because I wasn't aware. And whenever your account is having issues like this, it can be resolved, but sometimes it takes a longer time. At times they might not resolve it for years. Mine has been like this since 9th April 2024. As you can see, the post was removed by Facebook. Sometimes they will remove the post from your account, but at times it will still be reflecting, so you still need to use your hand to delete that post from your account. Another thing that can cause this kind of problems, when you post a copyright music or video or content, when you use videos that are under copyright, Facebook is going to give you this kind of issue because you are violating copyright policy. It's advised for you not to be using music in your videos. Create your original videos, or before you use some sounds in your video, ensure that the sounds are copyright free, so that you don't enter problem. Or before you lift somebody's meme or quote to post on your account, ensure that such post or such content is not being guided by copyright, because when you make this kind of mistake, it's very hard for them to restore it back. And also, dropping bullying comments other people's posts, you can violate this kind of problem, this kind of policy. Now I'm going to show you how you can resolve it. This is how you can resolve this problem. Before you come to this place I'm going to take you to now, ensure that you have screenshotted your profile status, that place the problem is showing. Ensure that you have made a screenshot of it. You will come to this place, click here, you scroll down, click on help and report. You click on report a problem. You click on continue to report a problem. You wait for it to load. You click on include. Then you scroll down and select where the problem occurred. This is Facebook profile. If yours happened in your Facebook page, you're going to select pages or wherever it occurred. Mine is my profile, so I'm going to select profile. Under this place, they are going to, the screenshots you made, they are going to upload the screenshot from your phone. Then you describe the problem here. When you do this, you click on submit. Don't just do it once and relax. Do it every day, or highest at least 3 times in a week, because these people get lots of reports every day. And if yours is, you get what I'm saying, if it's not close by, they might not attend to yours. Just keep reporting it every day until the issue is resolved. Please, if you have watched this video to this level, do well to subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you.